Wakey, wakey! Not a morning person? Check out our top 3 alarm clock apps that are a cut above the iPhone's native app. Time Tuner has been around for a while, but it's a tried and true alarm app for the iPhone. Like most, you can set as many alarms as you want. You can customize each one to repeat, choose a wake-up noise or song, and set snooze times. A nifty feature lets you assign up to 4 music presets so you can wake up to your favorite web radio station or personal playlist. There's even a sleep timer which plays music and fades after you've fallen asleep. When you're ready to turn in, just tap the clock to hide the controls and dim the display. For $1, we love Time Tuner's clean and simple design. The makers of iHome stereo docks have a series of apps, including iHome Plus Sleep, that can be used alone or with your iDevice to give your wake-up call a mega boost. To use the app, slide the bar to turn the alarm on, and when it's time to wake up, slide the bar again to turn it off. What's interesting is that the app logs your sleeping habits so you know you're getting enough rest. When you set an alarm, you can also set repeats, snooze times, sounds, and reminders. If you're a social network junkie, a nifty feature links your accounts so you'll get overnight updates when you wake up. For a free app, iHome Plus Sleep has a gorgeous interface and is very useful. Now for our top pick. Alarm Clock HD lets you totally customize the way you wake up. It displays the time, date, and weather all on one screen. It can even stream updates from your Facebook, Twitter, and Google Reader accounts. You know, for those sleepless nights and getting the morning 411. To set alarms, go into Settings. Like the others, you can schedule them to repeat as needed, create a wake-up playlist, and set a sleep timer. Even customize the color of the clock's digits. What's nice is that the app makes it easy to brighten or dim the display by dragging your finger horizontally across the screen, and has a flashlight button in case you have to get up in the middle of the night. For $1, this app doesn't miss a thing. So if you think the iPhone's clock app is a snooze, check out Time Tuner, iHome Plus Sleep, and our top pick, Alarm Clock HD. Watch a new Tapped In episode every week. Search for us on foxnews.com, iTunes, YouTube, and Posturous. You can also tweet us at Tapped In. We'd love to hear from you.